Alright, so I just hurried down here from the office and here is the scale model of the solar system. We're starting out with the Sun, and this is all 10 billion times smaller. I'm walking backward, and here is Mercury. There we go. So in the scale model, 10 billion times smaller, Mercury is about 2 paces away, and let's see, I think I pasted the Venus over here, the Venus. There it is, there's Venus, and notice how small they are. The Earth, by the way, is 7 paces away, and there's the Earth on the left, and on the right is the Moon. Notice how small they are, how far the Sun is by now, and how small they all are, and that there is nothing in between. It's a total vacuum. Of course, they're orbiting at the same time. By the way, here is Mars. There's so much on here because I also printed Phobos and Deimos on here, but you cannot see the individual moons. You can just see that the dots are too close, and you saw the names there. And as I'm walking backward, we can see the inner solar system. I'm in the Asteroid Belt now, and you have to envision that actually, of course, these are orbiting around the Sun, so to the other side, outside, as well. And again, the idea is to show you how vast our solar system is, how small everything is, including the Sun actually. I mean, it gets really small. I'm past the asteroid belt now, and Jupiter is coming here. This is at night, that's why the hallway is so dark. So here's Jupiter with its large moons, Io, Europa, Callisto, and Ganymede. And again, I'm walking backward, and at some point I have to stop doing that because I don't want to trip. But this year gives an idea. We already are past the giant planet and way out of the inner solar system and getting close to Saturn. And again, it's huge. The planets are small. Even the Sun is very small. And now I better turn around though. And in between, there's just nothing. We're going to come up on Saturn here. And there it is. So there it is, and on the right hand side is its moon, Titan. Okay, at this point I'm going to stop walking backward and turn the camera forward as well. At night here, oh, gee, don't do that, right? So, fortunately, I was falling up the stairs, but still my left shoulder hurts. Don't run with cameras. I'm actually walking slowly enough. My shoulder still hurts. In a different take earlier today, by the way, I almost sprained my foot. Walking backward, this one actually walking forward. And there's nothing in between here in the real solar system. So here is Uranus, and I put one of its moons on there, Miranda. And we're moving on to the next one. And as I have the scale model here, 10 billion times smaller, walking through the halls at KPC on the Kenai Peninsula, the closest star, Proxima Centauri, is kind of in Seattle, so I would have to walk that far. And again, there's nothing in between. I mean, those science fiction movies that we watch where they're traveling from one star to another, it's great, but it's so unrealistic. And I mean, there have been 2 spacecrafts to Neptune, by the way. Maybe only one of the Voyagers. So there's Neptune. I'm gonna keep on going here to Pluto, and because I'm running out of space at the college here, I mean, the college is long, but here's the other end of the college. I actually have to double back on myself, holding onto the little handrail. That will help, I think. Should have done that walking up the stairs as well. I think my pain is gone though from the left shoulder. Alright, so you're going onto Pluto, and of course here you would have to envision that it actually goes further out instead of going back in. All right, and here it is. There we go, there's Pluto and its moon Charon. And again, everything is small. And here, by the way, I cannot look quite a bit backward into that hallway, and then there's still another hallway back there. That's where the inner solar system and Jupiter were. And so it's huge, it's vast. They're all orbiting in this vacuum here, and they're tiny. And again, the closest star would be in about Seattle, as seen from here in southern Alaska. All right, that's it.